What's the meaning of comparative linguistics? Comparative linguistics. Comparative linguistics.
Comparative linguistics. Comparative linguistics. Comparative linguistics is a field in linguistics which studies the similarities and differences between languages. It aims to reconstruct the proto-language of a language family and trace the evolution of different languages over time. By comparing the vocabulary, grammar and structure of different languages, comparative linguistics identifies their ancestral relationships and tracks changes that have occurred over time. Ultimately, these analyses provide insight into how languages have developed and diverged, revealing important information about human history, culture, and communication.